I'm wearing my, and that's a kamalazo zedoni, but yeah, Adidas. And then it's Shein, and then Galaxy Boy, Adidas. Shein. I Pep.
For your safety, you're kindly requested to make use of airport-accredited transport services. Please do not accept rides from unaccredited or unknown transport services. Further information can be obtained at the information desk.
Okay guys, it is your girl, ZintleKwaaiman. Oh, it's on guys, quite a boy. Let's go. So yes.
Lo,
beautiful, lo.
After that, before you put the end. Lo,
Beautiful, lo.
Very nice.
I said it should match now.
That's it. Wait, because I can't. Tell them if I get the emoji joining the cake.
Yo guys, sorry I forgot to update you guys. Yeah, we are doing a birthday photo shoot for Austin, and unbulishing to be here and be part of that. So let's get into it. So she's a doctor. She's all up, and then you guys can go and book. So yeah. Present friends, honey.
Asha. Hands on, you spend the money. You have a got diesel.
Bafuna la ebhala ka diesel. Kodwa ifana nqwa.
That's like for money.
Ifana nqwa. Bafuba spend 20k ngoku.
I'm sure you do an onion. Boss babe. Nice. So do I just do it anyway?
Yeah. Face it upwards. Face it straight. Yeah. Straight upwards.
Straight.
Yeah.
It's so gorgeous. Ne?
Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, she did that. She did that.
Yes.
bottle. I should show on the bottle. Can you see? Oh man, you're so talented. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Love it.
Guys, iphelele ishuti sizothenga inyama, mbengo. Kuphi abantu asethembisa? Yeah. Yeah, asethembisa. Phele yona into ntoni. Ishuti iqedile Now it's about time to eat.
My extra personal. Kanjani ungabi nayo extra chum?
Bese kuba bathi
Ndenzeka. Imperial fruit. I love fruit. It's fine. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Is that right installation here?
Oh, where's the lace?
Where is the lace?
Where is the lace? It was late to the gods. Oh, Betundani.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
Cheers to
Baby, happy birthday, sweetie.
Premium.
Oh, my toto.
Premium babe. Wow, the baddest in the main cake. Best fella.
Get it, best fella.
It's the simple things. It's the energy.
Rastafari. No, we're trying to hold the curls, guys. We are trying by all means. You must remind me.
Guys, oh, dilibele mna. Dilibele.
At least
Ina yele.
Leni ngathi better.
Ama.
Andiyazi okanye kuba singayiboni. But yo.
But ayivulwanga guys.
Sizothini?
Soba normal ewe.
Masihlala ukuthi uma siyazi imfiyo.
Okusebhedini silinde Miss Patty. Silinde Miss Patty. Athi adiqala. So oko. Anyways, ndisela drinking but ndisela apha because ndifuna ifilishe ngathi ndisela into emnandi.
Yes! I did dinner.
Olale.
I shame. 5 a.m.
Hamba
Give me your
kalale.
phone. So that's when you're yakho it is a
Nice.
So nice, darling. So nice.
So demure.
So demure.
Aye.
Demure. Demure.
Timor. Aye, Timor. And yazile.
Thank you so much.
Outfit check, guys. First. Men up. Outfit check.
Outfit check. Start us then. I'm wearing DMG.
Period.
I'm wearing Gucci.
Period.
Okay, I'm wearing my Zara loafers, H&M pants, Shein shades, Celine shades, Hermes Banbury wristwatch, and Portiega watch.
Ooh, hey, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking the 2020 vintage Brut Dom Perignon.
Nothing. Oh, nothing, Mama.
Oh, nothing, Hi, quick quick, fast, revenge, honey, or nothing. Give me best fan.
The best fan.
Sanembona nina nenza benisithi mna i-upgrade andiyifuni. Ikhona into vele uthi xa ujonga nje ikamera vele ubona uba uyoyisakala.
Ndenza wedwa, nenza kusapota. Nenza kusapota sana.
Oh, it's so nice in person. So I fucking ale. Ikho. Uyithi apha kusauce yakho.
Done.
Ja ilando ke WhatsApp. Khangibona.
Ngixakisa.
Bamandi ke. Nale yam ndayiva ayinayo. Le yam isauce ndayiva ayinayo. So it's a bit okay. Oh, Sana, that's a point. I never seen so.
Dini. Oh, ufuna le iPhone.
Uyona.
Uthi wena akasahamba umuntu ofana naye.
Ijoshwe na.
Bayithini ukuthi
Batsho.
wathi
Watsho
kuJosh. Wathi akekho ofana nawe still.
Fuck. Abayi clean kanjani? This is so cute. To the core.
Is that it? Twice. Oh, Iman, I space that yo. 3, 2, 1. Twice.
It's no problem.
Okay, I can't forget this sort because I'm going this sort.
Code yethu it's 24. Hello, Sam leaders. Guys, honestly, we are dating, so you must wait for umuntu wakho.
Yo. Send Jenny.
No.
Oh guys, good morning. I couldn't vlog, I couldn't vlog it so long for the whole dinner. I didn't want to miss like the little beautiful moments, but yeah, this is where for being like a normal dinner, but we're celebrating him. We just wanted to enjoy ourselves, and yeah, it was a surprise dinner. So cute. It's not even like a big surprise, like let's just go. Then I said, then I said, then the mema abandu. So yeah, we're gonna do breakfast. But we're not gonna do breakfast with the food to mess up with you. Maybe we should get pam. What I done? Never.
I'm feeling close enough. The light shining brighter. Oh, it's in the yard. Sometimes it hurts and stays.
Very nice.
Sana. She had to buy he hand under the couch. Guys, guys, and Zantle.
You left it in on the
Cute.
Yeah. It was an MK and it brown and black.
Reversible.
Good.
Like 6.5.
Guys.
But this is a nice watch.
1.0. Oh, there's Shiana.
Beautiful.
Is it loud? Hello, hello, 1.7 lady for 9. And I watch Gavin.
I do have.
Guys,
What?
I'm going to show picture, but
And then we'll show picture, guys, but then the other lens, like I open.
That's girl's pet.
Is this okay? It's meant to be.
Says police.
Catch home. Was him. Yeah, you want it right? Yeah. But it's a kiss. I need to show legs.
You need to.
I need to show legs. I need to. And it's very nice though. Connie's baby, yeah, Tisha.
Sana Landi boile nina ndimlo nje don't Indi
wing, chip, sauces, what you call it, mustard dip, don't peri, mayonnaise, don't need tomato sauce. You understand?
yeah,
all of them. You choose. You will choose which one.
here's the yoga. It's the weekend. Sky can like
I'm a mess.
Eddie, kumta ya mos gobeleni. I was here. Guys, I don't know I'm not going to the I'm not going to birthday celebration. And also because I'm booked. I'm flying back today, so let me show you from here on. The content will be taken by Austin and everything, so I'm gonna add on top of the content here. But still, please enjoy and then subscribe and then like and then share and then comment. But now let me show you guys their outfits. Let's go. That's my vloggy. Yeah, check it out. Yeah.
Queen yet a country.
Right?
Oh, sana kunjani apha?
Oh, yeah, nisemhlangeni. Niya emhlangeni, guys. The girls are taking over from here because I vlog iyaqhutshwa ngabo mna andikho ndivela Eastern Cape. Situation Dombi. Vlog ntombazana.
I will.
Why full cimle ukukhumbuza Austin, ukukhumbuza Sky. Is that it, guys? Outfit check.
Okay, outfit of the day, my Prada shades, Pariega watch, Hermes bracelet, I have my country road vest, Zara linen, Zara shoes, and I'm the baddest bitch in the block.
Come now.
Hi guys, I'm Austin, the birthday boy. I'm wearing Shein, I'm wearing what's it called? Hermes, I'm wearing Cartier, I'm wearing Coach bag, I'm wearing Hermes, and yeah, that's
Your
it.
shades?
My shades are Versace. Okay, Mr. Price.
Okay,
Shein.
Yeah.
Galaxy Boy.
Mr.
Steve Maiden.
Okay.
And yeah, Mr. Price, Mr. Price.
Oh, come, Ayanta. I'm gonna be Ayanta. Outfit of the day.
Oh, OTT.
Yeah.
What's OTT? This is from Zara. H&M.
Your shades?
It's Prada, baby.
Mama. Is that question? Outfit of the day.
Okay, this is old Zara.
Okay.
Head to toe.
Yes, your shades?
Prada.
Love it. Prada. Come on, baby. Oh.
So this is
Come now.
you can go to Aramis.
Yeah.
And this I needed to like stay true to my roots.
Yeah, usijava lo.
Yes, I understand. I'm going to come soon.
Alright.
Okay, the glasses got them from an Uber driver.
Ay.
This is Jet.
Okay.
This is Pick and Pick clothing. And this is Pick and Pick clothing.
Lapho, you are killing it, Tikachani.
Hello.
Okay. Okay.
Show me.
Yeah. Guys, oh.
What are we doing?
Outfit check.
Let me hold this for you. What are we doing?
Outfit check.
Like, what does it mean?
No,
like
they
are here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Cotton on, Edgar's, like gift, online.
Start.
And this is my favorite piece, by the way. And my toes.
So good.
So get in. This is busy.
It's so good. I love it.
Thank you. Can you see it? Online, baby.
Ooh, it's so nice.
Thank you.
Guys, did I post on shop? Hello, Butijani. Hello. Guys, did I post on shop? Like, yeah.
Manyana baka. Kupali little tatarido.
Little tatarido.
John, my darling.
John Barrio. Give me best fan. Give me best fan, Nana. Guys, it's 4 more and 9. It's 4 more and 9 to the nerves. Why? Why did the book and the book and the I saw it.
It's 12.
Siri.
Sing out, we. Plans again me.
Yeah, I'm going to eat a part.
It's not on our side.
Palani, guess I'm Ben. Tell it back your costing. Hey! I am the motor. So, when
Australia is a good thing to my coin. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Internationally, we must do this shit, right?
Yo, guys, the koto, lava. Happy birthday, Austin! Happy birthday!
Why don't you hold the champagne?
Yo!
Why you gotta tell him lie? Honestly, I'm not surprised. Yeah, why? I just said I was fly. No matter how hard I try.
Continue eating us, my love. Kitty bestie fell. Ni amantombazana anjani aqhamemile. Ningamantombazana anjani aqhama emile.
Shayimoto, Shayimoto.
Giddy bestie fell, Nana.
Guys, masabele.
And after that, look like an Austin Ingomele. Oh, my love. Oh, after this.
However, ever find me like you. Happy to stay.
Welcome, girls.
Tomorrow. It's so easy to the lane. Let's go to the lane, to the lane. To the left, to the left. Everything you own, you fuck to the left. Yes, in 25 minutes. You can hear.
I'm the house manager, by the way.
However, ever find me like you. Happy to stay.
Oh, for hire. Open your business windows. Oh, this is the one. Okay, oh, Daniel. Which one is it? We are not a joke. What a joke.
Ezra. Asiyone shangano siniba.
Sky.
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 Hayi wena. Hayi ngane yami. Ungawi.
Ile boat le.
Me like you do.
Or nifuna siyo linda pie langeni.
No. I'd rather wait here.
16 degrees. No, Pele, I understand how to
It was like a boat.
Under the
It was can I say something?
Yes! Yes!
And it's still free going because I put safety top.
Ayanda, please respect Austin. Yes, can we talk and then you guys will look for alcohol after? Can we be here? Can we be here? Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't do that. And this is the second time you're doing that. Don't do that. I kept quiet the first time. Don't do it. Don't make it a habit. My name.
Guys.
Don't do that.
Sorry, baby.
So guys, all I'm just saying is that thank you so much for all coming. I know how much you are so busy and you guys have so much important schedules. All of you guys. I don't even want to mention what you do whatsoever, all of that. All I'm just saying is that I appreciate each and every one of you guys. With whatsoever, but you guys all made sure that you just come and pull through for me. I go to bana uban special kanje, special kanje, but you guys made it bana uten sibe equal and see enjoy a song. And I really appreciate you guys so much, and I kind of feel like that's how a friendship I always like unfold it a lot of trouble in each and every one of you guys. And because of this whatsoever, that's how I am. I'm that person, like I love each and every one of you guys, you know, with about 10 who you are whatsoever. I go trying to turn it because whatsoever, but I kind of feel like in turn because ni permanent okay. I go try not different. I will but I'm not saying. But I'm being honest. But wait, I'm not laughing whatsoever. I'm being honest. Like no, can never say about that.
But I think I'm the black sheep.
Wait, guys, we still pink.
Guys, it's not guys, listen.
I'm still talking, guys. So I'm just trying to say is that no one is perfect and in this friendship, but siyathandana and all that. And I love the fact that sonke siyafika siyathandana and siyazana and you see like siyabona sonke akuthiwa ubani 10 as much as professions who we are in statuses whatsoever, but we just get in and just get along. I love that with song yes is the gays and all that, you know. So I just want for us to keep that energy and just enjoy, you know. And thank you so much for just coming to my birthday. I love all of you guys, each and every one.
We love you too.
We love you.
Guys, listen to this.
She's the Johnny
can you please reintroduce each other one by one so that we can understand each other? No, it's not about being hectic, so that we can understand each other, because I kind of feel like some of the people let's just break the ice. Sazanani. I'm Austin Ajidam Zukwa, aka
what?
You are the best installation in
Can I just speak, ne? I can point each and every one of you guys. If you guys are like related to point.
I never remember when I get that. What? I take. No. Baby. I was
My God. Don't what? Don't what? Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
What if I want to touch you?
Bitch, don't touch me. Why every time there's no champagne?
Attack of the yellow
Drink. Yes.
Yes. And it's so cute. Everything is cute inside here.
Thank you so much.
You want to say it? Pleasure. Never.
Did you find the charging thingy?
Yeah, I did.
Why not charging?
Do you charge a power bank?
What are we having?
Okay, we're gonna have butter chicken.
Okay.
Just for like 30 minutes.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna close it. It's just gonna I think after it's gonna be tender and then put it on the fire.
Perfect.
Everyone is taking a shot.
I'm driving.
For Austin to
I am driving. Austin is sleeping upstairs.
Oh, that's the emotion video.
It's too much. I got a big ego. Such a huge ego.
Love you. Love you so much. She has to. She can say the word. Across the board. She can't give you the backing. No. So it's weird. I'm like, how is it whenever if Isbana doesn't have the backing of I love you guys. I love you. I'm happy when they give me that. You better hear twice. Businesses, I love businesses. And I employ you for the businesses. Yes, clap for the heavyweight check.
That's not that. You gotta make sweet.
Sister is going down. Make a wish.
Sister, yes, you're cool, sissy. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much. If we never are you doing this?
What's happening?
It's your birthday.
It's a birthday. This is the tradition of birthdays.
I need to go home. You can't get here actually. Guys, can you
Should the cake as well? That's too much space.
and making sure that you not feel guys make sure for your anniversary. But I'm just saying that I know you don't like making change. Yeah.
Okay, give him a moment.
What I'm going to say is that I appreciate each and every one of you guys because I mean these chums are me. But
More money, baby. More money.
More money. The parents speech.
I love him.
Quickly, what's in the design?
Yes, baby.
No.
How about I love that? Yes. Imagine the game. Some Thursdays. Cut the cake. Then we have a little silence. Good fellow. Cut it.
I am now.
Finally. My sister. That's scream, my sister.
says thank you Simkile Gauteng. You're gonna play a game like a TikTok, yeah, call ufake i-headset or earphones. Sure.
Demo Zintle. Demo Zintle. Johnny. Daphila nam. Uphi wena? Akhumbula. Endweni. Andiva. Ai vuti. Volume. Khumbula nam. Ovi. Ubi. Pambene. Pambene. Lithumba mani. So the booty. Khumbula nam. Mali. Vimali. Kashapun. Abuti.
Kuthi ndiyoni molweni sawudlala i-word chain so into endizawuyenza ndizawubiza igama uZintle ifuneke adibanise kweli gama lam and then nam ndithathe from apho uZintle beyeke khona njalo njalo uzayibona wethu don't worry. TV
Stand. TV stand.
Stand by.
Bisexual.
Kodwa yimi ingakubi no bisexual babhalwa differently.
Fanini ndithethile qha ndithethileyo.
Bisexual.
Okay, bypass.
Okay. Pass by. Okay. Pass over.
Overtime.
Time limit.
Limitless.
Lesson.
Less.
Okay, less.
And yes.
I feel like CC is a complicated God.
Sinbuza.
Hi boy, na buklefa lento. Okay. Yazi biza abantu ba yiqanda.
We do spag.
Silapho egethini Buddha.
That's a sungongoza. Sungongoza. Sizawuphasela ngale first. Twas a gut shape. Twas a sister. And again, for the phone and the phone.
Anayo ndishilo.
Is that a phone?
Tell us for the way Zintle.